Hello, this is Larry Gaines from Options on the Open. We're the leaders in day trading and swing trading using options and home to power cycle trading model. Well, I wanted to do a short video, and first off, I hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving. And I wanted to do a short video on the market and to basically keep an eye on Apple for a bounce. First off, if you look at the broad market using the S&P 500 SPX, you can see that we've been down 7 days in a row, which is an extreme. We're currently extreme oversold based on looking at it on this Bollinger Bands, this red line here. Let me home in on that a little bit bigger. Let me get that. Oh, here we go. So you can see how extreme the sell-off has been. You're really hugging the Bollinger Band. Now that it could keep going lower, but when you see this kind of extreme, the volatility is expanded, so you could get a big pop to the upside when it does decide to bounce. You can also see the RSI indicator is down at the low end of the range. Of course, it could go lower, but so you have these factors building up, you know, like a rubber band, pulling it back, and when it does stabilize and the market does decide to adjust, you could get a big pop to the upside. So that's number one. Number two is, let's look at Apple. Now here's Apple. Now Apple, the same situation. Number one, it's hugging the Bollinger Band, so you've had an extreme sell-off, so a lot of volatility expansion. So when you do get a pause in the market for maybe a correction back to the upside to work off some of this oversold situation, Apple's one of the stocks that will probably show some really good relative strength. So this is the one that I'll be following for the markets when they do bounce. It closed right on the 200-day moving average, which is this brown line here, and it's very oversold, which you can see by the RSI. You're down here at these levels, which we haven't been at in a very long period of time. So keep an eye on Apple, and if you'd like, I'll send an alert when we buy Apple for a swing trade, and that way you can follow to see how we do with our system. So basically the conditions are getting oversold. It doesn't mean that the market can't go a lot lower, but just pay attention and look for opportunities that the market presents. So hope to see you at Options on the Open, and good luck trading.